Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to fix Windows 11 error. Which is this PC can't run Windows 11, Windows doesn't meet the minimum system requirement. Now let's move towards the solution. I will show you easy way to fix this error. Go to steps back. On this screen press Shift plus F10. Write regedit in the command prompt. Now go to HKey local machine. Then expand system. And then expand setup. Here you will create lab config folder. Right click on setup, go to new and select key. Name it as lab config. Make sure that L and C are capital and there is no space in between them. Now click on lab config. And here we will create two files. Bypass TPM check and bypass secure boot check. First we will create bypass TPM check. Right click on lab config window, go to new and select dword v32-bit key, name it as bypass TPM check. Make sure B, TPM and C are capital. Now we will create second file, bypass secure boot check. Right click on lab config window, go to new and select dword v32-bit key, name it as bypass secure boot check. B, S, B and C are capital in it. Now open both files one by one and in write value data as 1. Close regedit and command prompt window. Now you can continue Windows as per normal procedure. Now you see we figured this error. If you liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.